Imagine holding a Xiangqi piece. It looks simple, yet its journey begins thousands of kilometers away beneath ancient mountains. Most people never think about this, but every polished piece hides dozens of skilled hands and remarkable manufacturing secrets. Today, we're stepping inside a factory where centuries-old craftsmanship meets precision engineering to create China's legendary strategy game. Think about this. Every perfectly balanced piece must feel identical in your fingers, even after thousands of production steps. And here's what nobody tells you. Even tiny imperfections can ruin an entire championship-quality Xiangqi set. Inside these walls, ancient woodworking traditions now work alongside lasers, robotics, and intelligent quality control systems every single day. The sounds alone tell an incredible story: buzzing motors, carving blades, sanding wheels, and careful hands creating something timeless. By the end of this journey, you'll never look at a Xiangqi set the same way again. But first, we need to travel far beyond the factory floor, because the story actually begins deep inside nature itself. Every premium Xiangqi set begins with a choice. Manufacturers select hardwood, bamboo, or specialty resin depending on the final quality level. For luxury wooden sets, dense boxwood, rosewood, or ebony often travels hundreds or even thousands of kilometers before processing begins. Moisture matters more than most people realize. Fresh wood often contains over 30% water before drying even begins. Meanwhile, premium resin pellets arrive sealed inside moisture-proof containers to guarantee flawless molding and perfectly smooth finished surfaces.
What happens next surprised even experienced engineers, because the factory deliberately rejects expensive materials before making a single game piece.
Now the real transformation begins. Every approved block enters precision cutting, where accuracy decides the fate of every Xiangqi piece. Computer-guided saws rotate at nearly 4,500 revolutions per minute, slicing timber into perfectly measured blanks within just a few seconds. Each wooden blank immediately passes optical scanners that detect hidden cracks smaller than half a millimeter before carving even starts. Approved blanks enter CNC lathes, spinning at nearly 3,000 revolutions per minute to create perfectly smooth circular game pieces within 1 minute. Resin pieces follow another path. Heated to about 230 degrees Celsius, the material flows like thick honey into polished steel molds. Inside the mold, pressure reaches nearly 1,000 bar, forcing every tiny detail into the surface with astonishing precision. But the most recognizable feature hasn't appeared yet, and the next machine changes ordinary circles into legendary Xiangqi pieces forever. But the most recognizable feature hasn't appeared yet, and the next machine changes ordinary circles into legendary Xiangqi pieces forever. Part 4. Complete voiceover, technology, quality, and global facts. Now comes a stage every manufacturer respects the most, the final inspection. A Xiangqi piece may look flawless to the naked eye, yet advanced quality control systems can instantly detect defects too small for most people to notice. High-resolution AI cameras compare every engraved character with a digital reference in milliseconds, while laser sensors measure each piece with incredible precision, ensuring consistent size, perfect balance, and a smooth finish. Even the smallest scratch, uneven engraving, or microscopic crack is enough to remove a piece from the production line before it ever reaches a customer. But here's something truly fascinating. Despite all this cutting-edge technology, machines still cannot replace the experience of master craftsmen. Skilled inspectors gently hold, rotate, and even slide premium Xiangqi pieces across polished wood, judging their texture, weight, and feel through years of practice. In many factories, their human instinct still catches subtle imperfections that artificial intelligence can miss. Only after passing every inspection does each complete Xiangqi set move into elegant presentation boxes, ready to begin its journey across the world. Every package represents hours of craftsmanship, precision engineering, and careful attention to detail. Today, manufacturers produce millions of Xiangqi sets every year to meet global demand. China remains the world's largest producer, supplying the vast majority of premium and standard Xiangqi sets, while countries such as Vietnam, Taiwan, Malaysia, and Indonesia also contribute to the growing market. Industry experts estimate that the global Xiangqi market generates well over $100 million annually, supported by collectors, schools, clubs, and millions of enthusiastic players. Here's something surprising. Some handcrafted collector editions require several weeks of painstaking work, while modern automated factories can produce hundreds of high-quality sets in a single day. Rare antique Xiangqi sets, carved from precious hardwood or ivory substitute centuries ago, have sold for thousands of dollars at international auctions, proving that these game pieces are valued not only as tools for strategy but also as remarkable works of art. And the story doesn't end here. The next generation of Xiangqi manufacturing is already taking shape, with smarter factories, more advanced robotics, and artificial intelligence preparing to transform this ancient craft once again. What happens next may completely change the way these legendary game pieces are made. If you want to go deeper into the hidden world of manufacturing, tell us in the comments what product you'd like to explore next. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you inside the next factory.